All right, we're going to be working on creating a drawing, actually 4 drawings based on these shapes. And then the 5th one, if you want to work on that one, you can do on your own time. But we're going to take these 4 shapes and we're going to make what's called an orthographic drawing of each of them. Orthographic drawings are where we draw the front, the top, and the side independently. So we're going to get our graph paper and we're going to fold it. Going to fold it like so, the long way, and then we will fold it again. And this is going to create 4 equal quadrants to work in. So we've got 4 different spots to work in. So we're going to put drawing 1 here, 2 over here, 3 over here, and 4 over here, and they will fit, I assure you. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in a little. All right, so we got 1 over here. Maybe zoom out just a little bit. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do number 1. Now, the way we do this is we do each face individually. So the first face we're going to do is the front face. So for the front face, I'm going to come in. I'm going to go find the lowest corner of this box I just divided up. And I'm going to start just by making a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 9. Because we got 6 and we got 9. That's how many boxes we have, and that's the easiest way to do this. So 6 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, 6 by 9. And we can actually close that rectangle up with the way this one is drawn. Do 6 and 9. So that is the outside of the front face. 6 by 9. So there's my 6. There's my 9. And I've got to do this section right here, which is 1, 2, 3 from the edge, and then 1, 2, 3 over, and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So I'm going to go 3 from the edge, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 like so. I'm going to go over 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the orthographic of the front view of this drawing. Now the side view, what we're going to do is we're going to go over a space. We're going to do the side view, which is 6 again. See how they line up? That's very important. They have to line up. And then we're going to go over 6 for the side view. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to go up 6 and over 6. Now, this is the side view as you would see it from here, but we have to include this little area here as a hidden section. So that hidden section, I'm going to do right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the 1, 2, 3, 4 down, and then the 1, 2 over, 1, 2 over, and they're dashed lines indicating that this is a hidden section inside of that face. Finally, on top, we're going to do the top view, which is also a 6 by 9. And on the top view, you're just going to skip a box to keep your spacing equal and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go over 9, which should line up with the one below. So if you're like me and you have a triangle that is clear, you can use that to assist yourself. We're going to go up 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we will go over and connect them. All right. And then we're going to go up 1, 2, 1, 2, and I'm using the drawing under here to line up, so I save myself some counting and go over 1, 2, and that will account for this gap that is cut out. All right, so this is the orthographic of number 1. Now I'm going to switch sides over here, and move just a little, and we're going to work on number 2. Number 2 starts out the same as 1, and it's very important you find this bottom corner for number 2 or the top view won't fit. But it's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 9. So it is another 6 by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got another 6 by 9 there, and then we're going to go back up. 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to go over 9. So it starts exactly the same as the first one, no surprises. Now this part here is like the first one, but it's on the bottom. It is once again 3 over from an edge and 3 over and 4 up. So this time I'm going to go over from this edge. I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go up 3, 4, 4 I should say. I'm going to go up 4. I'm going to go over 3. So take that 1, 2, 3. A little extra there. I'm going to go down 4. So there we go. Now the side view is where people mess this one up because it's got this part first before it gets to that part. So the side view, if we're skipping box, is actually 8, not 6. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here we're only going to go up, if I look at it, so the far side, which was this line, is 6. Here we're only going up 4. We go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to go over 2. 1, 2, and then I'm going to go up 6 again. And I'm going to connect these up. Okay. So I got those two. The last view is on top. And we skip a box, and we're actually going to line this part up because we've got to do this first. So I skipped a box. I'm going to do this 1, 2, 3, lining up with the one below me. And this goes 2 on both sides. See how it lines up with the one below? So that's that section right there. And then the rest of it is a 6 by 9 box, like on drawing 1. I'm going to line this up right here. Going to go across 9. Stop right there. And then I'm going to close the box out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you see we barely fit, but we do fit if we make sure we're in the bottom corner. 6. And then I close the drawing. So that's number 2, and I feel like that's the one people are most likely to get wrong. Coming back over to the other side, move the sheet up a little. And do number 3. Number 3 is very similar to number 1. I'm going to go to the bottom corner here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go over 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So go over there. I'm going to go up 6 again. And I can connect this across. Now this one has a lot more going on than number 1. So I'm going to try to walk you through that. For the front view, it's not too bad. But when we get to the side view, it can be a little trickier. So first thing, I got this area that's a straight line down, 3 over in the front view. So I go over 3, and I make a straight line down. Then I've got that same box I cut out in the top one. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make that vertical line down. I can even line it up with the top one the way I've been doing it. There we go. And then I just got to close it out right here. So that is the front view of number 3. The side view is going to be here, here, and here. So it's a rectangle, and then a backwards L. okay? And it all fits in a 6x9 or a 6x6. So I'm going to draw the 6x6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go up. And we're going to go over. All right. Now, once again, I'm going to go over 2 from the right-hand side. I'm going to make a vertical line there. And then I'm going to go 2 from the left-hand side, and I'm going to make a vertical line that only goes down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to connect those up. And this is good. And the top is not going to be a 6x9. The top, if we line it up, skip a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then on the top edge, we can go over 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to go down 2. 1, 2. We're going to go over, so this is the 2 we went down. We're going to go over 3 here. And go over 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go down 2. Actually, I can go down 2, 4. I can go down all the way, so down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can connect that to close it out right here. And now I need to close in this box. So this box is 1, 2. Up from there, and then we go over 3. And we close it down. So that is the top view. And the final drawing that we're working on this side of the paper is number 4. Number 4 is the only one that doesn't have a 6x9 base. And it is actually an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can go up 6 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On this side, I'm going to go up 2. 1, 2. I'm going to go over 1. 1. So that's up, over, and I'm going to go up 2. Going up 2 here, and we're going to connect it over like so. And then on the top here, I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do 4 there, and I'm going to bring it down. So that is the front view. Side view is very simple. It is a 6x6 kind of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am going to go up 4 on this side. And then this side I'm going to go up 6. I'm going to make lines connecting over at 2. So lining up with here, 2. And at 4. And then here I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3 and connect down. So that is the side view. And then the top I can do a proper 6x9. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go over 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That line was a little crooked, not too happy with it, but we're almost done. 6. So I got the 6, and then I have to transfer from the bottom. I've got my 1 line here. I got my 1, and then this is going to go transferring right from this one. 1, 2, 3, and then just connect back the 4. and there's the top view. So that gives you all 4 of the views in the drawing. And then as a bonus, I can flip it over, and we might have just enough time to do number 5. Put number 5 over here. So if you want to do number 5 instead of one of them, you can. Number 5 is the most difficult because it's got the most stuff going on, but if we break it down, it's not too bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It starts with a 9. This is 9, believe it or not. And it goes up 6 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. 6. And then we're going to go over 8. Nope, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put an extra one down here. So go over 7. Then I'm going to go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. So down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, and I'm going to connect them up right here. I'm going to make a box 1 inch from the edge going 2 down, like that. And this is going to go across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go down 4. And then we're going to go down 1 here. And we're going to go over 2. And we're going to go down 3. So we've got this section here. Boop, 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 boop. We've got this section here. And we have this section here. So that is check. The side view is a 6x6. Lots going on here. A 6x6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By 6. I'm going to draw a line 2 from the right side. And that's got boxes coming in here and here. Those are those steps. Coming off of here, right here, I got to draw a box that goes over 1. That's this section right here and down. 1 and down. And then looking at my sheet, I've got to do this section that's 3. So we got a section here that's 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. That's this section right here. And then under it, we've got our 3x3. So that is done. Side view done. I don't think we need anything else because this section 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect. And then the top view. And the top view gets the 6 and the 9, so we're skipping a line and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've got the 9 going over this way. And that's good. And then we're going to come down 2 right here. So that's that 2. Then we're going to come back 1, 2, 3. And every step, we got a line. We got a line here. And so this is 1, 2, 3. Then I've got to make from the top of this box section. Actually, I can go back all the way until there's just one left on this. So all the way, because that covers this part. This line comes all the way down. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can go over 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can go over 3. And we can go over 3 here. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And then from here, we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to go over 4 this way. 2, 3, 4 this way. We're going to connect that. So that gives me this L, which is here. Give me this L, which is here. 2 steps, 1, 2. And then this area. So that is number 5 all taken care of. Okay? So we've got all 5 of our drawings. You only have to do 4. Good luck.